Spooky season's here. It's October, or as normal people call it, Halloween. So, spooky season. Let's draw a spooky thing. Let's draw... What's his name again? I swear, I was ready to record. Jigsaw. So the doll thing from Saw. Yeah, creepy as hell. Had to hide this from my kids. I think my eldest son saw it and went, "Dad, what's that?" Nothing. So, let's start with his big, creepy red and black eyes. They're kind of not the same size. Like, they're different sizes. Right, so let's do this. So we'll go up and over. It's kind of like an egg shape. This one is, anyway. Like a ball. It's like a pool ball inside, I think. So I think it's like a circle here, but yeah, I think so. Right, and then this black shadow in there. Right, and then we have the red circle. Now, if you've a coin or a compass or a stencil, use that to get your circle if you really want it to be perfect. But if you're like me and you don't mind things being slightly bumpy, I find it doesn't really make that much of a difference, but some people might get upset. And then he's got a black pupil in there. So, like, it's like red paint on at like a dark gray, right? So I will color this black. I was thinking like maybe I'll do it all together, but just for the sake of drawing, we'll get it in, right? And then that's real dark, right? It's not jet black like that. It's like a super dark gray because it has a bit of a shadow on it. So you can't really go super black. You could if you wanted. Do the other one. This one's smaller. It's like not as uniform in its shape. And I think the shadow in the corner is like tinier, real small, just there. Might be a little one in here as well. Can't see a shadow on that side. Right, and then we do the red. And then pupil, and we'll go black. Right, so now let's creepy him up. So we're gonna add a frown, like a weird eyebrow situation, which kind of goes down this way. And like everything's kind of rough. So it's like, you know, there's brow here. And then there's another line that way. He's creepier already. So you're just doing this sort of check mark kind of around the eye there. And then like brow line there. And they're kind of, to make them look sort of 3D, they add like, you know, a little bumpy line there. Weird. Right, and then his nose. So the bridge of his nose, very straight until it gets to the tip of it. So it like bends around the tip there. And then we get the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect now because you know, everything's kind of rough. Right, and then his nostrils here, here. And then there's like side of his nose, side of the nose, kind of bumpy as well. And then I think it comes underneath, kind of joins together. It's like some side of his nose here as well. Right, so then this sort of puppet mouth, right? So it's kind of like flat. And then it goes down this way. This is the bit that goes up and down, you know. And this seems to be sort of like bumpy here. And he just has red sort of lipstick kind of paint, kind of like the Joker or something. And this part of his mouth like doesn't connect fully with like his lips or something. So there's like a gap here with a big shadow inside. And so like an extra dark sort of area here. And I'll shadow this up too. Right, and these are like his cheeks that come around. Well, the big cheeks are up there, but this is like the smaller ones underneath. And then he has like some red lipstick just roughly put on here. And then we have those big weird like spiral cheekbones. Like sticking out crazy like. It's funny. The reason I'm drawing Jigsaw is like Mr. Beast released a video of a guy like trapping a house on fire and he has to get out. And I saw a meme that just says, "Bro is becoming Jigsaw in real time." I was like, I have to draw Jigsaw. So there you go, Mr. Beast. Thank you for becoming Jigsaw. So your big cheeks. And then we have the red spiral. So the spiral is done in red color, sort of lips, but we got to draw them in, right? So we'll just go around. Now, you could go red around, but I'll do a double line just so we know where to put our color. So the spiral, you know, disappears around the other side of his cheek. So then it like comes back in. So we're just spiraling around and we're giving ourselves a little space to color red. Okay, so like it's red inside each of those. Try and do the same on this side. Okay, so textures and dirt, and you know, he's real dirty, like he's an old doll, so could beat him up a little bit. He's got divots and dents and stuff inside. Right, so then the white mask is just, it's like a skull, sort of. So it's just a white round forehead area. And then like some more sort of scratches and dots and dirt lines and everything. Okay, so depends on the Jigsaw type of doll you're drawing, but in this one, his hair is like obviously doll hair. You know, it's kind of just going this way. It seems longer on this side. It's like it's been cut, so kind of square ends. You know, like this kind of thing on this side. I don't know if you watch my anime videos, but it's like Zenitsu, you know, from Demon Slayer. You know, his hair, kind of little square boxes like that. And then this starts to go around. Bum, bum. And then, so we'll go, this goes this way. So there's like a part in his hair, so it goes different directions. And it starts to go that way. So then this starts to bump its way down here. This one looks kind of more brushed or something. But again, kind of like square then down here. It's like whoever's in charge of costume on the movie just like cut his hair down here. And then we'll add like textures then. Just following the shape for the hairlines. And obviously color it black. And there's like some silver single strands of hair sticking out. Okay, bow tie. Little square. And then the ribbon. Easiest way to draw a bow tie. He's got a jacket. Comes down behind us. And a waistcoat. The waistcoat goes in there. And then his shirt. Down there. Do do do. And then his jacket, collar sort of just over here. different on that side, actually. That side's different to that side. Different color. Don't know why. Maybe I'm just not seeing it correctly. And then his shoulder down here. That is Jigsaw. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.